So now that we have a basic general understanding around what is a digital product, what is the value of a digital product, and how it's just so much better to create and distribute digital products rather than physical products due to the fact that there is an infinite inventory behind you and an infinite amount of potential buyers, it is time to actually discuss about where AI comes into the equation of building, launching, and scaling your digital products. And spoiler alert, it's a complete game changer. Back in the day, it was literally so hard to create these digital products. You need to be an expert copywriter, an expert marketer, an expert strategist, right? But nowadays, everything, almost everything, can be outsourced to AI, and you can only keep the genuine human creativity required to brainstorm these digital products and launch these digital products and just outsource everything else to AI or work with AI to perfect the whole process. So, why AI makes this easier for beginners? Let's go. Now, AI again is a complete game changer in the digital product again game. For a long time, creating these products felt slow, technical, and intimidating for beginners. I can guarantee you that the digital product that you will create in this class right here and you will distribute and market would take at least 6 months to do so 5 years ago, right? And AI changes that by helping you move faster, think clearer, and create with less friction. It does not remove the work is still there, but it makes the process far more approachable and far more frictionless. Because in the digital product creation process, there are so many just, repetitive robotic tasks that you had to do manually back in the day, but now all of this is just completely outsourced to AI. And the biggest change with this whole process is that AI reduces the blank page problem. Back in the day when you were at school and you had an assignment assigned to you, you would just stare at a blank page and start to think, how should I start? Right? But now AI completely changes this whole process. And you saw this in the actionable step of the previous lesson where I showed you some prompts that you can utilize with AI to help you with the brainstorming process. And again, one of the hardest parts for beginners is simply knowing where to start. So AI helps you generate ideas, directions, and first drafts much faster than starting from nothing, right? It just gives you a basic guidance you can start building upon to set your foundation for your digital product journey. And this means less overthinking and more momentum. On top of that, it just helps you organize your thinking and outline these products in the first place. Many people already have, useful ideas and useful experiences, but they struggle to just structure them properly. Because if your ideas aren't structured properly, they can't be communicated properly, and just proper to the point communication is the number one key in marketing and selling your products. But we're going to be talking about this in next lessons of this course. So AI can help turn messy thoughts into outlines, steps, and clearer product concepts that are not only easier for you to understand, but it's also easier for you to market and sell. And this makes it easier to go from random ideas in your mind to something that you can actually build. Of course, AI helps on the creation of digital products, right? And digital offers. It really aids this whole process. Instead of spending hours drafting everything manually, AI can help speed up this first version, this first draft of your digital product. And guess what? Maybe you release this first draft in the market and you don't see a great adoption. You don't see this product selling. Of course, you can take this back with the feedback of the market, which I'm going to show you, of course, how to gain, right? And then go ahead and refine this version 1 with AI to a better version 2. So it can support research, writing, rewriting, polishing, and simplifying your content to maximize your sales. And for beginners, this can save a huge amount of time and energy, right? You don't need to understand anything and you don't need to reinvent the wheel, right? Again, everything has already been done, right? And AI can assist you in this. Of course, the skill barrier is insanely low, and this is why this is an awesome opportunity nowadays to tap in the digital product space, because the skill barrier is insanely low. Anyone can utilize the power of AI to create and distribute digital products, but it's just that most people just aren't aware of this opportunity. So you're super lucky to be here. You don't longer need to be amazing at writing or branding or content structuring from day one, or you don't need to hire, branding experts or content experts. AI can help you with this, right? It can help you improve clarity, presentation, and communication while you learn. So that makes the process feel less intimidating for people who are just getting started. AI will be your best friend. And I'm not only talking about ChatGPT, I'm talking about a wide variety of different AI tools that we're going to be using for each and every single step of the process of creating, launching, and scaling a digital product. That being said, of course, yes, AI will help us in like the whole framework, but it's not here to completely replace our brain. AI is here to replace the robotic, boring, repetitive tasks, right, that we would have to manually do back in the day. But now everything that's left is just the pure human creativity aspect that needs to be sprinkled in every single step of this process. So AI is a tool, not the complete business itself. The real value still comes from your judgment, your direction, and the problem you choose to solve, which at the end of the day stems from your personal experience. So this whole thing right here is still built under the foundation of your personal experience and your passions. So it's not that everything will be AI generated, but AI helps you execute faster, right? Of course, but you're still the one building something valuable, and you're still the one understanding your target avatar and the person that you want to be serving with your digital products. Yes, AI will help us in everything else, but you still need to flex your creative muscles to think of an offer that serves the exact persona that you will be mapping out. So, what does this mean and why does this matter for beginners? Beginners usually lose momentum because everything feels too complicated when starting out, especially in the online space, in the digital product space. You don't know, who to sell to, you don't know how to create the product, you don't know where to host the product, how to market the product, how to receive payments from this product. And don't worry, like we're gonna be covering everything. But AI helps you shrink this gap between idea and execution. Because at the end of the day, if you're a creative person like me, maybe you have like multiple ideas, but if you don't act on these ideas, if you don't take action, you don't release these ideas to the market, right? It just doesn't matter, right? But AI really helps you turn these ideas into action and execution. And this is powerful because speed builds confidence, and confidence is key, especially when you are marketing and selling these products of yours. And of course, you can actually start way smaller than you think. As we covered in the previous lesson, you don't need to be a complete expert, right? That can serve like hundreds of millions of people with your digital products. You can start small. With AI, you don't need to build something, massive or insanely perfect. You can start with a simple digital product and improve and scale as you go. So that makes taking action much more realistic than you think when you start small. Imagine covering and solving a very specific problem in a very specific group of people that you know and understand because you were one of these people. It's just way better than trying to solve a massive problem right across the whole world. What's your real advantage here? The biggest advantage is that AI makes things automatic, right? Everything is automated with AI, right? So what's the real advantage here? The real advantage isn't automation. We don't want to automate everything, right? We don't want AI to make everything automatic. The biggest advantage here is that AI helps you take an idea and move it into action much faster than you would do it without AI. For beginners, it's going to be the difference between staying stuck somewhere and actually launching something. And as we discussed in the previous slide, right, of this lesson, if you have multiple ideas and you don't take action, right, on them, they just don't count. It's like thin air. But if you start taking action into your ideas and launching these ideas and seeing how the market responds to these ideas, then you're moving forward. And this is the key to a successful digital product business, right? And especially if you're a creative professional. So, what we will use AI for this class involves pretty much idea development, structuring, drafting, and refinement in the beginning, right? In the first pillar of our digital product creation. We'll start with utilizing AI to develop our ideas, to structure and draft our digital products, and then refine them before we release them out to the public. We will not use them to just create the random content of our digital products without any strategy behind them, because again, the content usually needs to be stemming from a place of enjoyment and excitement and personal experience. We're going to be using it as support to build something useful, clear, and sellable. And of course, all of these things I will show you like on a live basis how to do, right? So what's the key mindset moving forward? You do not need AI as a shortcut to avoid effort. We use AI to just remove the boring stuff and let genuine human creativity in the equation, right? Think of it as a powerful assistant that helps you reduce confusion and move with more clarity. And using it properly, it can help beginners do in days but it used to take much, much longer. I can guarantee you that because I have been creating and selling digital products before AI and have been doing so after AI, and it's just two completely different worlds. So now that you've seen why AI makes this process easier, the next step is choosing actually the right kind of product to build. What product fits better your solution? Is it an ebook? Is it a course? Is it a template? Is it a guide? Is it a video? What will you choose? I'm going to show you exactly the perfect digital product for your case in the next lesson of this course. So in the next lesson, we will focus on the business model selection so you can build in the right direction from the start of your journey. It's potentially one of the most important lessons of this course. So I want you to take notes and I want you to be concentrated because choosing the right business model is really setting the correct foundation for this whole process to be successful. So thanks so much for being here. I'm going to see you in the next lesson.